Losers. Let me just bring these curtains over so the light won't ruin.
No, if you want to watch it, yeah.
I'm gonna just put my face on the curtain so. Wait, it's raining.
You ready, Rosie?
There's no talking during the storm. It's
Put me
quiet.
outside.
It's quiet time.
Put me outside. Do it now.
I can't put. You don't like water, Yoshi. Just like in the video games. When you go on water, you melt away.
Darwin, you just missed out.
I saw it from up there.
What the heck is going?
It's gonna get loud. Mom's gonna come upstairs and give you a bath pretty soon.
Never.
And I'll give you water balloons.
No.
You need a bath, Nico. You're so stinky from outside. You just.
I just have a bath.
No, you didn't. Let me see Yoshi.
No.
Hey, Yoshi.
What?
I'm gonna choke you.
No.
Say ow.
Ow, ow, ow.
Now, get out of here. Yoshi, Nico needs to have a bath very soon. Where's Elmo and Grover? Where's Elmo and Grover? Oh, I think they're in the room. Oh, wait. Oh, Snoopy. Wait, why is he not freaking turning on?
You don't have press his palm.
I am, but I'm trying. He won't let me. I think he's broken now.
No, he's not.
His music won't work.
That's just one paw. This is.
You're an idiot. That's why it's not working enough. Oh, there. Wait. Oh, his feet's not moving yet.
Okay.
I kill him. Ah, perfect. I'm just pretending the curtains pretend it's my house. Oh, God. Yeah, I'm in 2 minutes now in my video. Oh, I saw the lightning behind that neighbor's house. Oh my God.
I'm so.
It's a big lightning. It's gonna be loud. It's gonna be loud.
No, it's not.
It's a little bit louder. When there's big lightning, it's get very loud.
Yeah, you been
Huge lightning gets louder, but not big lightning. It just gets a little bit loud.
You been number yesterday? You have your friend over, Taser, and
Yeah, Tasia, yeah, and loud thunder, and
yeah, and
almost cut power. I was playing GTA 5.
And I was in the pool and I started my game and the power went out.
And it came back on quickly, and my TV just turned off, and it turned back on already when I was playing Grand Theft Auto 5.
Ooh, that's a little baby house.
Okay, it's 9:26. I don't go to bed till 12:20. Because I need to get some sleep, because I gotta go back to school pretty soon. Back on the 13. Nico's back on the 9. Just like when the wars go back on the 9.
Hi, Dad. Dad?
Mom? What? Oh, it's just Alvin.
Yeah, quit talking, bully.
Hey, you're a bully.
What? What did you say, Nico?
Hey, Ellen's a bully.
Oh. Oh my God, this storm is...
Now, oh yeah, Darwin, I am done chapter 1. Now, chapter 2.
I'll be on chapter 5 this year.
Ooh.
I think I'll do 10 lightning videos.
Really?
And I'm gonna do 10 more tomorrow. That makes 20. And on the next summer, I'll save my camera and I'll make 10 more and make 30.
Don't like this.
But when I make 10 videos, that's when I'll be gone out of this house. But I have to get a job first if I get moved to a new house myself.
Okay.
I had to try to earn some money if I buy a house. So I can sit in the house, peace and quiet.
You see that?
Yep, I saw it.
I kill myself.
I saw it. Okay, 5 minutes in this video.
Oh boy! That 2 more, 3 more. I got 2. And no more. You only got 4. Why are the baby?
You're a baby.
You are. You be number.
You're the biggest baby on earth.
Oh no! I turned off my video.
Oh no. Good. Now you have to start over again.
No, that's this thing. Now I'm in chapter 3.
Okay, do chapter 3. After your bath, you're doing chapter 4. But before bedtime. Because that time you went, July 23, you went to sleep during a thunderstorm.
What is that? Maybe that's like a 7?
It's like a... Oh, that was loud.
What's this?
It's gonna break the window soon. So this looks like a... 7! I hate 7. It's scary 7.
Yeah, all windows will be blown.
Oh yeah, Jeffy is scared of number 7. Jeffy, stop it.
I hope this.
Hey, Daddy.
Wait,
Hey, Daddy. What doing? Say, Jeffy.
Seppi,
What?
what are you doing?
Spanking my diaper.
Don't spanking diapers.
Why?
I'm done.
Say,
Chapter 4.
say, it hurts, Jeffy. Why?
Seppi, stop saying why.
Okay. Daddy, while we're at the window.
That's what I'm watching. Is
Watching what?
Seppi-
The fireworks?
No,
Okay,
no.
okay.
Wait, Seppi, you're.
Where's the fireworks?
You see it? It's not fireworks. It says thunder.
Why?
Yeah.
Why?
You stop.
Okay.
Yeah. This. Hush it.
Say, Jeffy, stop spanking your diaper.
Stop thinking with that bus.
Okay, Daddy.
Yeah. Oh no, my eye turned
Oh, what was that? Oh, your chips.
on. My eye turned on.
I just got 2 lightnings already.
Hey, you don't have to have your flashlight on, Nico.
Okay.
He actually just turned it on.
No, I need it
There you go.
on.
You just giving him his chips, Alvin? Oh yeah, it's just his chips.
Oh,
Boy, the storm's crazy. Hey, Alvin?
oh, window will be blown.
Hope the storm better be done before I get up tomorrow early morning. If it doesn't stop, I can videotape part 6.
Yeah, and the stop and our window will be blown.
And I'll make 10 more tomorrow, and that makes 20. Next summer, I'll make 10 more, it makes 30. And I'll make 10 more, it makes 40, but that's when I'll be gone. 10 more, it makes 50, that's when I'll be... I'm talking.
Darwin, what chapter you on?
I'm on chapter 4 still. I'm not done yet, I'm still videotaping.
I'm chapter 4. Who's gonna win?
I'm gonna stop mine at 20 minutes.
Yeah, me too. I see.
Okay, just watch the storm if you're gonna miss it. Okay?
No, I'm just gonna watch it.
Oh, now we got some gold lightning coming.
Gold lightning, that's my favorite color.
Just like on August 7th,
yeah.
before I was taking the war home. And I took the war home quickly before the storm started.
Oh yeah, you been number it says. You been number yesterday. There was you been number yesterday. So
Oh, I got that lightning.
So you been number yesterday. It says
Nico, you just missed that lightning is over there. You already missed it.
no, that's C.
No, like, not that, not the flashing, the lightning, you mean, like, when it comes out of the clouds. You just missed it. I just got it on camera.
Darwin, you been number you just started taste at 24 the thunderstorms. Dad,
Yeah, what?
you been number
wait.
yesterday at 20.
2020?
Yeah, you been number. You just start pick up taste at 24 the thunder.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, Angel took her home on July 2 on 2020 when COVID started.
Ooh.
When COVID-19 started.
This is so be still be thunder.
July 23, I didn't videotape. I just watched the lightning and from all the windows when
I'm in number 5.
On July 23, you were sleeping on the couch with Uncle Calvin.
Shut on that, Darwin.
I'm busy, please. Ooh.
He's gonna be out.
July 23, I was looking out the lightning and you were asleep. You were falling asleep. And I was up on July 23 at
Wait.
and the storm on July 23, the storm was over at 4 a.m. when I was up still.
What the?
You were still sleeping. The storm was over at 4 o'clock.
Ooh, I see that.
But yeah, the storm started at 12 a.m. before when I was watching William.
Really? Not watching.
I like watching. You watch William every day.
I hate it.
Okay, 9:34 now.
Ow, my.
82% of my battery.
Ow, ow, ow. What the? What's that yellow thing saying? What is that?
I don't know.
My yellow say, what is that right there? Whoa, what's going on? Please tell me. That tape.
12 minutes now.
Yeah, I'm too scared. Ooh. Yep, I'll win it.
It's gonna be loud. Oh, I just got that one.
No, I didn't. I just
No, I just got that. I got that on video.
Oh my.
Got that one on video.
Dumb. Hate this.
Excuse me.
He's coming out. He's coming out.
Well, this afternoon I have lunch and I have all those hot dogs.
Yeah.
And I need some more for school for lunch.
Ooh, I see. Oh yeah, darling, you see that
I got
little...
that on video.
You see that little dot? Ooh, I see that up there. Up there. See that, guys? You see that thunder up there? Flash.
It's gonna get louder.
Hush it, thunder. I'm just talking to my bills.
You don't have bills.
Yes, I... No, I didn't say bills.
Yeah, you did. You said friends.
Yeah.
Oh,
Ooh,
excuse
you see
me.
that, guys? Hold on, please hold.
It's bath time in a few minutes. Nico has a bath and he continue finishing till he needs to do 100 videos.
Oh my God, and you're at the...
But I'm doing 100 videos before. Oh my God. I'm doing 100 videos before I move out this year. I'm done grade 12.
Robin, you see the biggest water hole?
Yep.
I didn't dig out.
I know, but I'm too busy.
Don't tell you it will be out.
I'm not scared.
Yes, you are. You're being number you're 60 years.
When I was little, I was, but not when I'm growing up. I'm not. I'm not scared of nothing.
But how about someone? Ew, what's that sound?
That's you farting.
That couch.
Oh, I got two lightnings. That was white. Oh, now there's a big puddle over there. I should go jump in that puddle.
No, where's that windstorm stop?
I don't know, but it might be over when we're sleeping.
Yeah, I hope we don't do.
Oh, that was loud.
I hope
The puddle's getting bigger.
What?
The puddle's getting bigger over there in my old house in 24 Hickory.
I hope we don't do.
Well, today I went outside and I pop all those little balloons.
Yeah,
I smashed a few things.
yeah, and I watched it.
I smashed Nintendo Switch Joy-Cons,
Dude, why?
3 fidget spinners, and a clock.
Why you smash your clock?
Because my red clock had a crack on it because I keep dropping it.
Says Bill. You said broke your clock.
It keeps falling on the floor itself, but it has a crack on it because... Oh well.
Ooh.
I'm at 16 minutes now. Oh,
I hope, Robin, I hope. No.
Wait,
Robin, hush it.
wait, what's that button on the couch?
That's Yoshi.
A hat? Oh, I love hats.
No, don't.
Hats. Just like from Super Mario Odyssey.
That was fun. Ooh.
Swing my hat to Snoopy. Not the table.
Robin, give me that gun.
What, the hat?
No, that gun might be behind you.
Sorry, too busy.
How about I did quickly?
Just keep the curtains open. You can still see it.
Okay. No, do it. No. Just tell me.
Got that? 2 lightnings on video. Okay, I'm at 17 minutes. Well, 80% of my...
Robin, I'm done chapter 5. Chapter 6.
Nice.
Now you are sassy bonehead.
You have 4 videos to do for tomorrow.
Yeah. I'm not doing it. Some sister of those. Oh, hush you, do you? Yeah.
I'm trying to do something with my mouth. You can't tell me what I can do.
Ow. Oh my god. Biggest hole ever. Yep, we have to have a beat water.
That lightning I saw looks like Santa's sleigh.
Good. No. What else I see?
Wait, where's your mom's phone?
Yeah.
Wait, how about you play Talking Tom and say, Tom, look, there's a lightning out there.
Wait.
Go on Talking Tom too. I downloaded it for you.
Maybe.
We're going on my Talking Tom friends.
I am.
Is it? Look, Tom.
You're Tom. Is it Tom Ati?
No, you don't call nobody, okay?
No Ati, Mammy.
No, it's too late. Tomorrow you can. You can tell her about that. Yes, tell her that tomorrow. She's in work now. Go on Talking Tom too. Talk to Tom about something about the storm.
Oh. Oh, I can't do it. It's what the heck? Get in the bathroom.
Find a carriage and take it to the microphone.
I did. Ew. You see,
My Talking Tom too.
there. It's not there. Oh.
Oh, shut up.
I hate this.
Well, I'm at 19 minutes of the video. Oh, shut up, you little dumbass baby. Before I bite your arm off. Can you go exit out, please, jerk?
I can. That's his own.
We'll try a different one.
I am.
There you go. Okay, now talk to Tom.
Stopping.
Find my talking Tom friends.
I am. What the? Oh, you see that?
Okay, enough with those. Oh, oh that's loud. 20 minutes in my video. I'll be in 21 minutes.
Dolphin, what will be in a bath?
I know, but no, you're gonna be in the bath.
No.
Because you should have one first and I'll have one after you. Because you're dirty, because Mom needs to wash you up.
You wash my ass.
You wash your hair by yourself this year?
No, wash you. Where the fuck?
Well, it's Mom's decorations downstairs. I'm in 21 minutes now.
I'm doing shit. You. I'm done.
I got 2 purple lightnings.
I didn't. That's not yellow. Poop.
What are you playing?
This name's Todd's in my ass. Go sit down. Sissy, you a bit funny game. Yeah, you just gotta beat bad eyes. But all of this, Sonny. This is the tail one. The 4 knives. No. This is just so fun.
I hate that poor music.
No, it's just a game.
It's ugly. Ugly music.
You are ugly, stupid.
Your mom is so ugly.
Oh yeah?
She thought Nika was a little brat.
Oh yeah? You stupid boyfriend things.
Oh, that's just noise downstairs. That's Melvin's decorations.
Yeah, splash you with that water dump, boy. Yeah! Stop, yeah!
Move over one side of the couch, jerk.
Oh!
Before
You
Before-
farted?
I drop kick you.
I just see that.
I saw the lightning behind the house.
No, behind the tree.
No, like the neighbor's house. I saw it.
No, you didn't.
Nico's got so small legs. He's almost looked like a troll.
You are.
The grumpy old troll who lives on the little bridge.
I'm about to shoot you. Yeah.
How about you
take
get
that.
nothing?
Take that, Dolphin.
You take that already.
Killing all of you. Ah!
It's just the decorations.
Hey.
Wait, where are you going? Nico, there's a moth in Mom's room.
No, it's not.
Yeah, there is. I'm serious. No, I'm serious.
No, not.
No, I'm serious.
We go and Haggle. I know. Haggle, I couldn't. Why?
Y-
Yeah.
You're laughing?
No.
Where is that Go see where is that coming from.
It's downstairs.
Wait, I think that's his sound box he got. He got a new sound box. Go look at his new sound box he got.
Yeah, he got.
Go look.
I did. You would see? I got some lights. You could see.
Your room light is on.
Yeah, we don't need.
Hurry up!
No. What are my lights over there?
Before I drop your nuts.
Shut foot up my gun here. I'm such a bitch.
Say, ow!
No.
What's this? Is this Tasia?
No, that's my name.
Oh, sorry, Aurora.
That's not me.
Okay.
Just turn on.
I'm in 26 minutes of this video. I think I'll stop it in 30 seconds.
No, I'm stoned.
Then I'm gonna go back in the room and charge my phone up and listen to music on my computer for a while.
And come back.
No, I'm gonna be going to bed after that.
I will kill this.
That's Mama's sound box, you idiot.
Someone's behind us.
It's just a voice box.
No.
Well, Thunder is in Halloween too.
Yeah.
Well, what? You're watching it because it might give you nightmares.
Yeah. No, I'll be with it. I just don't see.
You know you're gonna sleep in your room tonight.
What?
Because school's coming for you pretty soon, but you can sleep on the couch for tonight.
No.
Where you going?
You see my husband?
Yeah, go see. I'll keep videotaping. And when I'm done, I'm heading in my room. And I'm going to bed after that. Nico, come upstairs now, okay? Nico, come on! Stop being mean to your brother like that. I'll also do that to you like that, huh?
Why?
Oh well. Okay, in 29 minutes now. When I'm done 30 seconds, I'm going back in my room. Charge my phone up so I can make some more videos tomorrow.
Ah, no.
I'm gonna watch these videos on my laptop while I listen to music.
No. Watch my videos.
You're not even signing into my laptop.
Yes, I